unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video, I'm gonna create the eye makeup look with blue family colors. So let's play with the colors. I'm drawing eyebrow hair with black eyebrow pencil. And now I am filling in the eyebrow with black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product that you like to fill in your eyebrows. After filling in the eyebrow, I will draw the eye. First, I am drawing the outlines of the eye with white eye pencil. And now for the inner corner and the lower waterline, I am using pink pencil. Using green eyeshadow for the lens. For the eyeball portion, I am using white eyeshadow. And now I am applying the black eyeshadow onto the upper lash line, lower lash line and to the lens. It's time for the eyelid. As you guys may know by the time that I use flash colors first and then overlay it with the powdered eyeshadow with the same color. So I'm doing the same again. I've taken the cyan color onto this brush and I'm applying it onto the inner lid and dragging it onto the middle section of the lid. And now with a fluffy brush, I have taken the same colored powder eyeshadow and I am setting this flash color with this. And I am applying this darker blue color onto the outer V section and the outer corner and probably to the lower lash line as well. First, I have marked the outlines and then I am filling this in so that I don't create a mess. There is one more benefit of drawing the outline first, and that is we will get the sharp edge that we want, right? Yes, I'm applying it onto the lower lash line as well. Now I am setting this dark blue color with the same colored powder eyeshadow. For the application, I am using the fluffy brush. I've taken this golden liner pencil and I will outline this whole eye look with this. Why? Because I'm crazy and I love it this way. You guys may not see this properly right now, but wait for a second or minute. Just be creative and create your own eye looks. So now what I'm doing is I've taken some glittered golden flash color onto this brush and I'm tracing the golden eyeliner that we have applied before. Hopefully now you guys can see this properly. I know I'm going crazy over the geometrical lines these days. The last video was based on that as well, a little bit. If you haven't watched that video, so please go check it out. But after watching this video, and I will create this eye look onto my actual eye. If you wanna check that out, so follow me on my socials. I will link them into the descriptions box below. Now let's apply some eyeliner. Don't go too crazy with the eyeliner because we have already gone too crazy with the eye look. Just apply classic eyeliner or the way you want it. I'm not holding you back. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. And share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.